Today I am going to get my face microneedled, and that itself sounds pretty scary, but I'm actually much more excited than I am nervous. So yeah. The areas that I want to focus on the most are my frown lines. So right now, like, this is just my face, like my resting face. That was awkward. And I feel like you can see the little lines right here as if I was mad. So if I went to go like this, you can see like the little like 1, 2, 3 lines right there. And I feel like they don't completely go away. They're always there. And they make me a little bit self-conscious because I feel like it makes me less approachable. It makes me feel like I look really mean or like I'm upset all the time. So hopefully these will be minimized. And then the other area that I want to focus on is the texture on my cheeks. I have a lot of scars thanks to acne. So I have what you would call ice pick scars. So it's like a bunch of little holes on my cheeks. At least that's what it looks like to me. And I've had these basically since middle school. That's when they started like popping up. So I've been very self-conscious about them since then. So hopefully they are minimized as well. From what I looked up about microneedling, it helps with acne scarring and fine lines. So that is definitely what I am looking for. When I get there, I'm going to ask her if it's okay if I can record part of the process of her like actually microneedling my face. So hopefully she says yes, but if she says no, then of course I'm not going to record that. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and show you what my skin looks like now, and we'll go from there.
So I do the circles only because it gives me more even coverage. Some people do stripes, but with circles with me, I would rather make sure that every inch of your skin is covered. With lines, it's a little bit harder to do that because you can miss a place.
Okay, so I saw while I was looking up microneedling, like people that do it themselves, and that just seemed like a really bad idea.
Yes, because you cannot sterilize the rollers. So if you're going to use a roller or you're going to get a pin by yourself, you have to know exactly how to do it. You need to know what depth to go to. You need to know that you cannot do it more than once, at least every 3.5 weeks, because your skin doesn't turn over for 21 days. So a lot of people are, well, I roll my skin every day. Okay, well, you're just literally creating micro tears in your skin and making it worse, so which is going to cause scar tissue.
Yeah. So they're doing the opposite.
Yes. So they're basically causing more damage to their skin. There's just a lot that goes into microneedling, and it seems very simple because you can buy the pins on Amazon and stuff. But it's, you can cause so much damage to your skin and lasting damage that's not going to go away. And then you're going to end up paying a professional to fix that damage. So you might as well just get it done properly. Okay, so I'm going to turn it down, and we're going to go up onto your forehead. I'm going to turn it way down, though, so it's not going to be the same depth that I was doing on your cheeks.
Okay.
Just because don't have as much fat on your forehead, and it would just be way too painful. So when I go onto your nose, it's going to make you feel like you want to sneeze.
Oh, okay.
So if you have to sneeze, it's fine. Just tell me.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of swipes down your nose. I won't spend a lot of time, just because I know it's uncomfortable. You doing okay?
Yeah.
So normally I would go around your eyes, but you don't have any fine lines around your eyes.
Okay.
Because you're young. And I have healthy skin, so we don't have to do that. I'm just going to focus on, the scarring and the texture.
Yeah. So I was looking at aftercare. Some sites were like recommending vitamin C, and others were like absolutely not, stay away from it.
So vitamin C is a little bit harsh.
Okay.
I recommend hyaluronic, which is natural. It's called a hyaluronic acid, but it's not the type of acid that you're thinking. It's not gonna, burn your skin. It's nothing like that. Vitamin C would be good maybe a week or two after, but I don't recommend it right away. Your skin is going to be way too sensitive. You don't want to do anything that's going to burn your skin or irritate your skin because you can cause hyperpigmentation. And you don't want it to cause the brown spots in your scarring. So, because then it would just be harder to work on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but anything gentle is fine. You just don't want to do anything that's going to be acidic or, like I said, alcohol-based, anything like that.
Okay. I expected like little blood spots everywhere.
There was, but I wiped them away, but they're so tiny that they don't stay, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to worry about it. Have you ever had a hydrogelly mask done?
No.
Okay. So hydrogelly mask it starts as powder.
Okay.
I personally use rose water instead of regular water.
Okay.
Just because, I just like rose water better.
Sounds nicer.
Yeah, and rose water actually helps with hyperpigmentation.
Okay.
So on top of the benefits of the jelly mask, you also get the benefits of the rose.
Okay.
So
Nice.
it's going to go on as a gel, and it'll harden. And while it's hardening, it's going to create a vacuum seal on your face, basically,
Okay.
so that your face can soak up all the enzymes and all of the serums in the mask. And then I can pull the mask off all in one piece, and you'll have healthy, glowy skin.
Wow, that sounds great.
Yeah, and so I put a little bit of hyaluronic in it,
Okay.
just because it is a healing serum. And so it's going to help to calm your skin as well, so that you're not going to be so irritated tonight.
Hi guys, so I just got back home and I decided to put on a headband to keep the hair out of my face because it's pretty sensitive right now, and the background has changed a little bit. I removed the pink flowers because I felt like there was too much going on with the flowers. But anyways, so as you guys saw, I was able to record part of the procedure. The person who was doing the microneedling was super nice. She was very informative, and it was really cool that she was okay with me recording it. I had the phone right here because I recorded with my phone, so it was a really weird and unflattering angle. But yeah, I'm super grateful that she let me record it so that you guys can see what happened. And then she was talking to me about several things while she was doing the procedure, so I thought she had some pretty good information that you guys could find helpful. As you guys can see, my face is still a little bit red. It's been about an hour since I got the whole thing done, but it was more red and it felt very, very tight. It was tingly, and I could still tell that my face was a little bit numb because she did apply numbing cream before going in with the pen, and so by the time she was done, I could still feel the numbing effects. The whole thing was actually a bit different than I expected. I did go to Google and look up microneedling before and after photos and during photos and all of that. So of course Google can be a little dramatic, and the pictures that I saw the most were the ones that had people with their faces super red or super bloody. So that's totally what I expected was gonna happen, but as you guys saw, my face did get red, but it wasn't filled with blood, you know what I mean? With my experience, I didn't really feel like there was much pain. Honestly, it stung a little bit in the forehead area, but other than that, it was actually pretty relaxing. I did enjoy it. I do have tattoos though, so I am used to needles, and I actually like getting tattoos, so take that into consideration, I guess. And what else? Right now, my face doesn't feel as tight as it did. I think it's just calming down. What you guys see, the shiny part, it's not wet. It's just what she put on afterwards. I forget what it was called, but she said to leave this for the rest of the day and then just wash it off in the morning. That way my skin can absorb the goodness that this has. But yeah, you guys, I think that's it. I don't think I'm missing anything. I will do an update tomorrow and let you guys see what my skin is looking like. And then if I missed anything today that I needed to tell you guys, I will hopefully remember tomorrow. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what the results are gonna look like, because these are not the results yet. You have to let it, you know, do its thing. Hi guys, so I'm here to give you an update. This is day number 2. I got the microneedling done yesterday. I was supposed to do this update early this morning, but it is it is actually now close to 3 in the afternoon, so there's that. But when I woke up this morning, I rinsed off my face. I didn't really use any soaps or anything. I just rinsed it off with water, and then I applied a light moisturizer. So I wanted to be very careful to not be like really harsh with my skin. It still feels like I have like a sunburnt on my face, so it does sting a little bit. Nothing crazy. It was like a bit more strong earlier this morning and last night. When I first got home yesterday, my face mostly felt like really tight and tingly, and there was a little like stinging sensation. But then that got worse later on during the day, so by nighttime it definitely felt like a sunburnt on my face, and it wasn't anything like unbearable, so it's not really painful, I guess you could say. It's more of it just being like uncomfortable, but it is there. Other than that, I feel like my skin looks fine. It is still a little bit red, as you guys can see. I honestly don't see much of a difference, but I don't think you're supposed to see a difference like right away. I tried to do a little bit more research, and on some of the websites that I visited, it said that you can expect to see results within 4 to 6 weeks. Some people see them sooner, some people see them later. I guess like it just depends on your skin. And yeah, so I'm really excited to see what my results are like. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit to show you what my face is looking like, but honestly it doesn't really look that different. I feel like some of my pores right here look a little bit smaller, but that could just be me. Maybe it's like a placebo effect, I don't know, or maybe they are a little bit smaller. I'm not sure. I feel like this video is going to be really long if I keep doing updates, because my next update, I wanted to do it next week to show you guys what my skin is looking like and how it's doing. But I think I'm going to do a like part 1 and part 2, because I also want to do a like 4 to 6 week update as well. But alright you guys, I'll go ahead and zoom you guys in. If there is no more to this video other than the close-ups, then I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!